Thanks for joining me this morning. This is Good Luck Krishna, and the topic for the day is all about the onion investment business. So, yes, Girija, thanks for coming on board. Shoot your questions. I'm ready to answer you. And for entering this
Thanks, Chris.
particular Zoom meeting for the benefit of you and for the future attendees or investors. So, welcome to all again. Please go ahead.
Thank you. I just went through the video, Chris, and I did understand what you were what you communicated. Now my question is, when do we cultivate onion? When is that harvesting period? When we should invest, and when we will take the returns? How many months? Within how many months we can take a safe return? 1 minute.
Okay. So the answer to this is very simple. Basically, onion is grown on a periodic seasonal basis only, as you might be knowing. And there are some 3 crops or 4 crops depending on the state in which you grow the onion. So when we're talking about Nasik onion, this particular crop is called the summer crop, also known as Garba onion, or in local language we call it as Gauti onion. So this particular crop is already being harvested actually. From the end of April, people have started harvesting already, and storage is already going on in full swing already now. We are, as of today, we are on the 12th of May, correct? So we are already late by 12 days or something like that. Doesn't matter. Anyway, this is the best time to get into this business. And harvesting happens only once in 3 months, 4 months, that kind of a periodic gap. And so you're not going to get fresh onion for the next 4 months. Actually. So we have now in May, June, July, August. So minimum until August, there's nothing coming in. And the best part is this particular Nasik onion has a good storage life. That is more important. We also get onion from Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, a place called Bellary and all that. And maybe down south, people know this onion as Bellary only. Usually we encash it after 15th of August. Usually there's a saying in Nasik saying that when the flag goes up, the price also will go up. Okay. So that's as simple as that. So we can encash it anytime after August 15, but it depends on the situation. If we feel the trend is still going, rising and all this stuff, we can keep it until maybe September or October to get more. But generally what I prescribe is, you offload a major part of it after 15th of August and then keep a little bit back and then offload it slowly. Don't sell everything at one go. I hope this answers your question, Girija.
Okay. Now, what is your suggestion on investment? Suppose, say, if somebody is investing, say, on 10,000 rupees, for example. Okay, for example, Uday was telling me there is a profit of 300 times of whatever you invest by the end of August. August, October.
October.
On the period.
Keep it October.
October. Okay, October. Okay. So 300 times I'm medical. Okay.
Sorry to interrupt. This game is only for a maximum period of 6 months, starting from May until October. There's absolutely no chance of keeping it beyond October. It's not a wise commercial decision to keep it beyond October. So the whole span of the business itself, or the storage business I'm talking about, is from May to October only.
Sorry. Okay. அப்ப வந்து for example Uday general enterprise என்ன சொன்னாப்ல, there's a very good return on this. That is what he was telling me. 300 times return இருக்கு. It's worth investing, spending time and money on this சொன்னாப்ல.
Yeah.
Now, any business there is risk.
Of course.
This is also like trading.
Yes, it is.
Suppose if I'm investing in 10,000 rupees, if I'm not making the 300 time or even 100 time within October month, can I keep that money as it is and try next year? Is it like that? We can look at the profit next year.
No, I didn't get the last sentence. Can you just repeat it? I understand that this is a trade. There is a risk.
You said
and there is also
the period till October வரைக்கும் நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். We will take the profit சொல்றீங்க. கரெக்ட்டா?
Yeah.
6 months. இப்போ worst situation we will discuss. Worst situation. Okay, we are not making 300 times profit, but say we are not making profit. Worst situations discuss பண்ணுவோம்.
Okay.
அக்டோபர் வரைக்கும் நம்ம ப்ராஃபிட்டே பார்க்கறோம்னா அந்த அமௌண்ட் அப்படியே ரீடைன் ஆகி நெக்ஸ்ட் இயர் அப்படியே கண்டினியூ ஆகி we can see the profit பார்க்கலாமா? நெக்ஸ்ட் இயர் அதே அமௌண்ட் வச்சு ட்ரேட் பண்ணலாமா? அப்படியே இருக்குமா? லைக் நார்மல் ட்ரேடிங் மார்க்கெட் மாதிரியா?
Unfortunately, no. The answer to this is no. See, there are two types of business that you can do with Onion. Actually, one is your regular trading where you buy and sell immediately, and the other one is storing. Even in storage Onion, you're going to sell it off eventually, and this selling off is going to happen in the month of anytime after August 15th and before 31st of October to be on the safe zone. So, just in case if you didn't get the expected price, you cannot keep it for the next year because we are dealing with perishable commodity. So it is actually God's gift to have some particular property. Sorry?
Little louder, no? Krish, கொஞ்சம் voice கொஞ்சம் louder பேசுங்க.
Let me try. Let me change my audio to 1 second.
I can hear you clear.
Oh, really?
Check your output. Are you hearing me clear?
Okay, I've changed my microphone. Can you hear this better now? Is this better now?
Better.
This one, the voice is better now. That one, the voice was jarring. The voice is better.
Okay, now is okay? More clearer?
Okay.
Okay, great. So I'm using my external microphone now. So great. Okay, so as I was answering, it is unfortunately we cannot keep this and carry forward the next year. This is not shares or this is not gold whereby you can keep it forever and try your luck next year or something like that. This is actually perishable commodity. So unfortunately or fortunately, you need to offload it at the end of the period. So you either make a profit or in worst case scenario, you do make a loss. So the point is actually you should not give in to greed actually. So greed is the biggest enemy for these kind of investments, in any investment for that matter. Once you have a safe zone, you should know when to offload it. See, in communication, silence is also as important as speaking something because, silence also speaks to a certain extent. Yeah, so similarly in investment also, the most important thing is not just the entry, but also to know when is the exit points.
Oh, that is why you also told me earlier, like, we have to withdraw some amount in middle of month and so that, we are safe always.
Exactly. That is what I have indicated you with some colors in green, blue and red. So green is basically your entry points in the month of May and blue is the safe zone whereby, actually we offload at least 50 or 60% of our portfolio and then we hold on to the rest, take a risk over there. And we try to maximize our profits by holding it way until October if things are okay and if we have a trend in place. See, basically we also need to go as per the trend, not blind judgments actually, So we have to see realistically when is the best time to offload.
Next question is, what kind of bond, what kind of a thing, assurance I'm going to get that time since I've invested money on you, on the Onions through you, what is a kind of thing, documentation you're going to give for us?
See, basically, we are going to go for a non-judicial document. We are going to sign it up in an agreement. We have an MOU. I've already shared this particular draft copy of the MOU with Uday. I don't know if he has shared with his downline or not. He has already brought in some investors. I don't know until what extent he has done this paperwork. So basically, that draft, in essence, brings out all the points that you as an investor should follow and I as a person who's operating this business should follow. And we need to sign, both of us need to sign this to make sure that we know what we are entering into. But obviously, signing this agreement does not mean that, I'm going to give you a guaranteed profit. So let me make that very clear. So this business, any market investment is subject to risk actually. So this is basically to acknowledge that I have taken money from you and for what purpose and for what it will be used and how it will be given back to you with a profit, of course.
Sorry. Now, in the amount when we transfer, we have to transfer in a company account. Krish has got a company account for this. In that, we have to transfer or how it is?
This is all actually in white actually. So this is something that we don't do. We don't do any shady business. We don't go around the law and all that. So what we do is basically we are putting it in black and white as to how much money we are taking in the document. And also we are also kind of giving you the receipts for it. And it's all transacted through my current account called Ramola International.
And can you tell me something about memorandum of understanding?
Yeah, what exactly do you want? Because it's got some 18 points over there. So if you go through the draft, it will be nice. If you want, I can send you the draft right away in the WhatsApp and you can have a look at it and then you can shoot me questions.
Sorry. Okay, that you send. Then after that, you let me know.
Usually we're
the
not
plan.
sending this MOU. See, sorry. Usually we're not sending this MOU to everybody. We are only sending this MOU to people who are really interested and who are investing actually, because this is not a common public domain document which can be
Yeah,
shared
correct.
openly with
It's not for
everybody.
all. It's
Yeah,
not for all. It'll be sent to a person who's serious about investing. Simple.
exactly.
Alla, I understand.
So I'll just
எனக்கு
come to
அதனால
the
தான்
essence of
கேட்டேன்.
what the document contains. Basically, the document says, first
Ah,
of all, who is a party of the first part, who is a party of the second part, which is you and me in this case. And then we talk about for what purpose we are entering into this particular agreement, how long it is valid, this contract itself is the validity of the contract, the jurisdiction, if
all
there's a
right.
problem, how to solve it, and how are we going to take the money and how are we going to return back the money, and in what period of time this business is going to happen. So these are the basic essence of this MOU. For your information, Uday has already enrolled the last 2-3 days itself. He's enrolled 3 investors actually. So he must have gone across several of their FAQs, and maybe Uday can throw some light about what are the frequently asked questions that he has come across.
Yes, Uday.
See, mostly the people are under the impression that they have to buy and sell. So I'm very clearly telling, no, you're not at all involved in the process. We are only giving you an investment option where in the next 3 to 6 months, your money will become double or triple or more than that, depending on the market. It's all depending on the market. It's all demand and supply. But guarantee, if you see the research that Krish has done, he's taken the past 7 to 10 years entire monthly database, analytical report, and he has understood that there's something called a safe months, where definitely there's a demand and the price goes up. And those are the months he's telling exit. He's telling get out of the investment so that you have made your double or triple money back. So this is one of the frequently asked questions. Am I involved in the buying selling process? No, you're not. You're only putting money and your money is being used to invest. Now the next thing they're asking is, what is the proof? You can ask the question, what is the proof that you have bought the onion? My simple answer was, whether we bought it or we didn't buy it, or we are going to show you or go down and say this is your onion, it doesn't make a difference. You are accepting that today's rate, you have bought X amount of onion at this rate. That means you are invested 1 lakh. Today, if the rate is 15 rupees, divide by 15, that many kilos of onion is in your name. Now, when it's being sold that day, there's a rate. At that rate, you are gaining for that many kilos. Am I right, Krish?
You are partly right, Uday. So can I answer this, or you want to continue further?
Yes, please, yes.
Please
Add
answer.
more
Anybody
value.
who's investing, generally wants to know where their money is going. So we cannot generally say that we have just bought it. Here's your receipt and kata bye bye, whatever it may be. So we are trying to, with the whole idea of running this business actually comes from our history. We have been in this business for 110 years, not exactly onion business. We are business people, and we have earned the trust. And the trust comes only purely out of transparency and, kind of honesty also. So coupled with transparency and honesty, only we can do this business. So we are here to kind of showcase them whatever they want to know, where if they want to even come to the godown and see the product also, then yes, definitely yes. Or if they want to send the representative who's in North India also, they are most welcome. So there's nothing hiding there. So once they, kind of part their money and then we go invest it. So we'll show them all the records as per whatever they want actually. And it's all been filed, recorded, everything is being taken care of in the proper way. Because I obviously see we are talking about a lot of money here. So tomorrow the government might also come and ask me, what is this money coming in from left, right, and center from all over India, and what are you doing with this money and all that. So I need to protect myself also in this particular regard. So I will keep everything documented, and usually I post a video of everything that's happening. So that will be in my channel and also in my social media. So it's all going to be documented and recorded for future purposes. Because see, what happens is, the best thing is when I give these kind of records, it is going to be helping me down the line in the next year and the next year and the next year also, because people want to see a history. Everybody is not willing to take the first leap. Okay. So somebody wants to see the track record. What have we done in the past? And so this kind of helps me also to go forward. So I'm helping myself. I'm not only helping the investor in giving all this transparency, I'm also helping myself and my business.
Also, just share that FB link so that, Girija can also go and see the FB link.
Sorry? Share
Your
what?
FB link, no?
Yeah,
Your Facebook,
okay,
Facebook
FB link, Facebook link. I will share it actually. I was just waiting for Girija to come back. It's been almost a week since we last spoke. I think she lost interest, so that's why I didn't want to bombard people. I normally
No,
don't
no.
spam,
I was
so that's
talking
the
to
reason.
Uday. I cannot operate my Indian bank account because it was hacked.
It's okay.
No, no, no.
I'm not talking about the transfer of money. I'm talking about the transfer of knowledge, asking questions or coming back and following up and all such stuff actually. So I didn't want to go and spam your box, your WhatsApp messages with all the links and all that actually. Okay. But if you're showing a little bit of interest, even 5% interest, and if you ask me openly, I'm willing to share more than what I can give you or whatever it may be. Yeah. So I'll definitely share those links to the FB thing. As a matter of fact, Girija, you come as a downline of Uday. So Uday should be doing all this. I have already shared this with Uday. So Uday, that's your job,
That's
man,
what
not
you
mine.
train Uday. You train Uday.
You can't go and push things down your throat. If you're willing to learn, if you
Will
want to know something, I'm most available to help you out on this.
Actually, if you
what
watch
I'll
the
do?
video, the video completely, it explains everything. Actually, I saw the video only in call Krish. Because there was no other explanation required. In fact, I called him and told, why are you sharing so much of knowledge? And then he said, only when you share such knowledge, people will understand it.
Trust will be there.
yeah, but
Trust will be there.
yeah, trust is also there, but I'm talking about people will only then understand it. I said, yeah, it's perfect. Actually, I understood everything. Because he's done an amazing research on it. And maybe Girija, for you, this is a new subject. From last year, I've been in touch with Krish regarding only this subject. I know him for various other businesses, various other things, but I've been keeping track of, how from his exports. I'm not talking about this buying, selling, or storing and selling. I'm talking about, this even onion selling it to Vietnam. When he was in Vietnam, he made sure that he did 2, 3, or more than that. I don't know how many trips you did, Krish, to Vietnam.
How many trips, sir?
Of onion went last year.
Last year
I mean,
we
if you
did
don't mind.
about last year we were doing on an average around 15 containers of import of Indian onion into Vietnam in my company called Good Luck Group. Actually, every month we were doing average 15. I mean, there were times month where there was touching 20. There were times when it was touching 10 and all that. On an average, we are doing about 15 containers of onion every month in my Vietnam company, and each container carries around 29 tons. 1 ton is 1,000 kilos. You guys must be knowing. Anyway, so that is the kind of volume that we're talking about.
I've also took time to go through his video. I enjoyed, in fact, his knowledge, what he shared, the patience, what he had to share this.
So Uday, what is your next most used frequently asked question from your clients, prospects?
So when I took it across, what I've been doing is I have took it across to people and I've told them there is an opportunity like this way. Okay, and that's why we made a video also of me telling that this is what I do and this is what I am into, but I'm giving you an opportunity. So that's what I've done first, a small intro. Now, why I've done that intro and told them watch the videos. If they watch the video, the first question you should ask, have you watched the video? Because in spite of watching the video, people come up with a lot of questions. So the question is, why are they putting this money? It is a trust factor. It is basically they know you, and that is why they are willing to take that risk. Like you said, business risk, number one. So they are doing an investment risk. Okay. The question is, are they involved in this business like buying, selling? No. Do they have decision making? No. So, I mean, these are the frequently asked questions. I said, you don't need to worry. Once you put in your money, it is our job. You will be getting, how do I know what is the rate? I've been telling, once you invest, every day we will be sending you the rates of onion in the market. So you know when it is growing. There is a lock-in period. That is Krish's experience. He's saying there's a lock-in period only for the reason that you can't put your money today and take it out tomorrow. We can, but I'm saying that's not the right way to do it, because it does, nobody benefits out of it. So
Sorry, what is the lock-in period?
3 to 6 months.
That's why he said in July we should remove some fund, and in the last October we can remove some fund so that we operate safely. That's minimum 3 to 6 months. Okay. அதாவது
ஆமா.
3
So,
months you can withdraw. இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணி 3 monthsல ஒரு அமௌண்ட் வித்ரா பண்ணலாம். அப்புறமா 6 months நம்ம வித்ரா பண்ணலாம். வித்ரா பண்ணிடணும். 6 monthsல வித்ரா பண்ணிடணும்ன்றாரு.
can you throw light on this?
Yeah.
Chris,
See,
என்னன்னா
basically the whole idea of making this investment is to see some profit. So the profit zone is going to come up in the horizon only after 15th of August. So there's no point in putting money today and saying tomorrow I have some medical emergency, or maybe I have my sister's marriage, this thing, that thing, and trying to take the money out. It is quite not possible actually. So we have, for all good reasons, kept a particular lock-in period of 3 months minimum. After that, we will offload some of your material. Whatever money comes, we can have two options again. You can reinvest with us in our businesses if you want to, or if you want, you can take that money also when you see some profit. Of course, when the particular game is over at the end of October, all your money is going to be returned back. No doubt about that.
So at the end of October, whatever we have invested, whatever the status is, it will be given back to the investor.
It will be given back to the investor 100% without any carrying forward. Whatever it is, whatever be the result, whether it's a profit or a loss, whatever may be, we'll put an end to it, and then the shutters will be put down. Simple as that. I would have mentioned that this particular time to get back your money might be even up to 8 months, because sometimes, see, you sell in October, we cannot immediately put, the day you sell itself, we can't encash your money, and then you cannot pay the investor back, because, you have to settle the people over there who are operating. So we have to see the accounts and all that. So that may take 1 or 2 days. Not much, but anyway, to be on the safer side, I've added another 2 months time actually. But usually, it's better to be safe than to be sorry. So I've actually kept it as a buffering period. So, but in general, it doesn't take that much time. And also the contract validity is for 1 year, but we're not going to do anything for 1 year. But in any legal contract, no, we have to put that expiry date. So I have mentioned it as 1 year starting from May.
Sure. Okay, Krish, I'm done with this. Thanks.
You have any questions regarding the data? I can share you the screenshot of I can share you the slides of the Excel sheets if you want.
வேணாம். அததான் நம்ம இதுலயே லிங்க்ல எல்லாம் இருந்ததுல அந்த யூடியூப் இதுலயே வீடியோலயே. Done. That I'm convinced with that.
So next we're going to talk about the affiliate marketing part. So I'm going to cut this video at this particular point and pause it, and then restart the video again for the affiliate marketers.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Krish.